Alright guys, me Patrick Levar from Patrick Levar YouTube change, which at the moment has been compromised or been hacked, and it's basically Tesla Academy. Yesterday, January 9th, about 10:30 in the morning, I get an email saying that my password for my YouTube account, for my email had been changed. And then immediately after that, I get another one saying that the phone number has also been changed. And I didn't really think of it at the moment. I didn't really think too much of it because I have the two-step verification set up where, like, I'll get an email to my phone saying, hey, press yes if this was you. And I never got that. So I was like, well, maybe it's just some of my old stuff. Or it didn't really kick in my head. And then as I'm washing dishes, I stopped and think, what? Hang on. I didn't get, and I immediately went to my phone and started checking my mail. And I noticed my little red logo where my profile is, and it says your account is paused. And so I went to my email, and then immediately when I went to go sign in, it says please re-enter your password. I went and put in my password. It says this is incorrect password. Please enter your USB key. And immediately when I saw that, I knew that I probably been compromised or my account's been hacked. And immediately tried to do recovery. And I was wondering, I was like, why am I not getting these notifications for two-step verification? Tried to reach out to Google, which has been an absolute nightmare because the website where you go to recover your email is just like a giant loop that just keeps sending you to the same place. Well, log in, put in your password, put in your email, put in the phone number, and just it's a big loop. It's completely useless. So luckily, I've been on Twitter, and I did have a couple months back. I commented something to YouTube creator team. It was just a random question, and they responded. I was like, oh wow! So I immediately went to Twitter and started tweeting, "Hey, my account has been compromised. Can you please help?" And I got a reply about an hour later, but it felt bottish to me, like an automatic response. It sent me a link. It gave me two responses. They sent me another link another hour later. I'll go to this and we'll try to get your account reset. And it was the same place that I was at before. The recovery account, loop. So it was kind of not helping. I did get another respond. I don't know if it's a real person or not. It feels like it's not because the messages are so vague. Well, we'll send you the form to get your account, try to recover. I've never received any forms at the moment as of today. Today's the second day. Today is the 10th. But I did notice, at first when my account was compromised yesterday, it seemed like my YouTube page was okay. And then about 5 hours later, my profile pic changed to Tesla Academy. And the title changed, but all my videos were still there. And then I got another, I went back to the site, to my old page, and I saw again that it was, oh, they're going to be posting a live video. And then from there, all my videos were gone. Like, there's nothing left. It's clean. And it's just the upcoming stream of Tesla, Jake Paul, non-toka crap, like, I don't know, it's just garbage. It's the same post. I've seen it on other videos because I took that I copied that title, I posted it in search, and like there's like 5 other YouTube channels with the exact same title, with the exact Tesla this, Tesla Incorporated, Tesla this, different variations of Tesla names. So I knew then it had to be some type of bot or some type of thing, because to switch my password and my email and my phone number within minutes, like literally a minute apart, like it takes longer I knew it had to be automated. So long story short, I did notice this morning, I went to the YouTube page and it's not up. It's like gone, like not even, they're not streaming. It was streaming last night, and now there's nothing. And at the moment, the page is not up, which for me, if I can't have it, I don't want them to have it. But now my next step is trying to recover. Can I recover this? Because this is basically 5 years of my life gone on this YouTube page. Luckily, the last year I've been deciding to do other stuff. So I've started these other little YouTube pages that I haven't been really focusing on, but I've been starting others. 1 Minute with Me, Patrick Levar. It's actually Patrick_Levar at the new YouTube handle. That's where I'm going to be at now. That's where I'm going to post this video. And now it's just a recovery. I'm going to try, like, it's just so hard. Like, it's amazing that Google, a $1 trillion company, cannot access, or like when cannot see that there's something suspicious going on, when something's been something for so long. There's been patterns, there's been trends, there's been IPs from Osaka, Japan, and this, and all of a sudden it just switches. Like, that should be a red flag. It's like my bank. The minute that there's a transaction that wasn't recognized or that was unusual, my bank immediately calls me. Is like, hey, we saw some suspicious activity. Can you confirm this? Why can't Google do the same? Like, how hard is that? So, I don't know. This is day one. I'm just going to vlog this whole thing, this journey of trying to get my YouTube page back. So, now I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting to get a real response from the Twitter account, Google creators team, of some, like, this form that I need to fill out, because I've watched other YouTube videos. There's this form, I guess, that you need to use to get the process rolling, to start the verification, or for me to try to legitimate, hey, this is my YouTube page, this is, I got my play button back there, whatever info they need. I want to get the process going. I'm giving that to them so I can try to recover this. And honestly, I don't think there's anything left to recover. I mean, just to have the name back with the empty YouTube page with over 800 plus videos, 6 million plus views, gone. I'll keep you guys updated. Patrick Levar, keep filming. Peace.